In this example, we want to solve. We're going to solve for the variable x. And here's an equation because it has an equal sign. So we have 5x minus 10x minus 4 equals negative 3x. Now first let's determine how many terms that we have. Over on the left side of the equal signs we have 1, 2, 3 terms. On the right side of the equal sign we have 4 terms. Now on the left side what we want to do is we want to combine like terms before we do anything else, since there's more terms on the left than there are on the right. So let's go ahead and combine these terms. We have 5 minus 10x. Well, 5x minus 10x is going to give us negative 5x. And then we're going to subtract 4, and then that's equal to negative 3x. Now our goal is to isolate and solve for x, so we want to get x isolated on one side of the equation. So therefore, what we're going to want to do is what we have the negative 5x on one side, negative 3x on the other. We want to get that negative 5x on the right side. Doesn't mean that you have to go that route, but we want the variable on one side and the constants on the other side. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the opposite of negative 5x, which is going to be positive 5x, and also we're going to add it on the other side of the equation. So now what we get is 0 minus 4, which is equal to 5x minus 3x, which is 2x. So therefore, we have 0 minus 4, which is negative 4, which is equal to 2x. Or we can rewrite this as 2x, which is equal to negative 4. It doesn't matter which way you go. Now, since we want to solve for x, we want to be able to divide both sides by 2. So negative 4 divided by 2 is going to give us negative 2, and this is going to give us the value of x. Okay, same thing over here. If we divide both sides by 2, we're going to get the same result, which is negative 2. Okay, so our result is negative 2. Now, if we wanted to check, and sometimes you may want to check to make sure your result works. Okay, so if we wanted to check, we would substitute this information back into the original problem. So I'm just moving this over to create a little more room. So we have 5x minus 10x minus 4. We want to see if it's going to equal negative 3x. And we're going to plug in negative 2 for each value of x. So we have 5 times negative 2 minus 10 times negative 2 minus 4, which is equal to negative 3 times negative 2. So we're going to multiply here. We have 5 times negative 2, which is going to give us positive 10. Sorry, excuse me, negative 10. Negative 10 times negative 2 is going to give us positive 20, and then minus 4. And over here, we're going to get negative 3 times negative 2, which is positive 6. Now, if we take negative 10 and add 20, it's going to give us positive 10 minus 4, which is equal to 6. And 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, which means 6 equals 6. Therefore, our result is correct. So the answer here is going to be negative